Beauté Royale Aesthetic is more than just a clinic po, no? You will be treated as a royal highness. Pagpasok mo dito, kakalimutin mo lahat ng stress. Kung ano po yung mga ino-offer nila sa labas, ino-offer din namin dito, but much affordable price. Yung pong servisyo namin is pang-reyna tari.
Nanababo Kabalen, welcome to Aaron, Pampanga. Guys, naghahanap ba kayo ng aesthetic clinic dito sa Angeles City na feeling king and queens pero abot kaya ang mga services? Well, ang video na to ay para sa inyo. Samahan niyo po kami dahil nandito tayo sa Beauté Royale Aesthetics. Let's get inside, tara!
Meron po kami dito facials, steaming services po, and also non-surgical procedures. Hyco nose lift, Botox, and also we have body fillers po for breast enhancement, hips, and buttocks. Only in Angeles, Pampanga, we have Femilift, which is for vaginal tightening.
As I heard, no, tayo lang yung gumagamit ng product from Galderma, which is Restylane. Napakamahal doon, but we have that. We offer the classic prices where we use safe but affordable services and procedure, and we also offer po yung Royal services, which is we use Restylane Galderma products.
We'd like our clients po to feel that they are king and queens when they arrive here. We want them to experience royal treatment.
Everybody works hard, really hard every day. Toxic sa labas, stress sa labas, but then when you get in to Beauté Royale, you will experience the treatment like a king and queens. No, hindi lang yung treatment itself, but also yung services po, yung customer care.
And it's not just more than giving a result or a answer to his problem, but bring the confidence to them.
Para sa akin, confidence ay tiwala sa sarili.
Para sa akin, ang confidence ay satisfaction.
Ang confidence ko para sa akin is pagiging totoo sa sarili.
Yung confidence sa akin ay abilidad.
Ang confidence sa akin ay self-care.
For me, confidence is giving our customer satisfaction and an honest service that we can offer, and confidence is trust, honesty, and satisfaction. Why us? Because, as I said earlier, toxic, stress, outside, diba? Pagpasok mo sa Beauté Royale, it is not just an ordinary aesthetic clinic. You will treat here like a king and queen. Yet, ang aming mga serbisyo ay affordable. Kami lang din ang gumagamit ng product from Galderma, which is Restylane. And then, meron kaming dalawang kind of services. Meron kaming classic prices and we have the Premium Royale. Panoorin nyo yung mga videos namin sa Facebook. Marami kaming promo. So, piliin nyo ang Beauté Royale dahil hindi lang po ito basta-basta clinic, kundi talagang matututunan nyo kung paano kayo tratuhin bilang king and queens dito.
Yes. At pasok po sa budget nyo yung mga services namin dito.
Yes.